So welcome back to our 2D platformer series. At the end of this series, you will be in the position to create your very own 2D platforming game. And if you're familiar with the genre, you'll probably know Celeste by now. So today, let's take a look at how to implement double jump like in Celeste. But before we start, please let me hear in the comments which topics you want me to cover next. Luckily for us, there's nothing that we have to do in Unity this time. So let's take a look into our player script right away. So this one will be very easy today. Let's just add two new variables. The first one being the maximum of jumps that our player will be able to perform. And the second one, the number of jumps that we have left at the moment. And now within our check jump function, and your code for jumping will look pretty similar to this one. And if not, you can just check out this video. So instead of checking if we're grounded right here, let's check if our jumps left are still greater than 0. And above this one, we can just check if we're on the ground right here. But, well, what if Unity executes the scope right after we press the key? So we want to make sure that we really finish the jump, so equals 0 as well. Then we want to refill our jumps, and that's it. And of course, right after we actually started our jump, decrease our jumps left by 1. And now let's see how it looks so far. Set this one to, let's say 2 this time. And of course you can make this one a triple jump or quadruple jump or whatever as well. So that doesn't look too bad at the moment. But if you take a look at it, if we perform a second jump on our way down, that's just not really how we'd imagine a double jump. And if we perform our two jumps real quickly after each other, well, that appears to be pretty strange as well. So let's better take a look at how to fix it. And the solution for this one is to just set our vertical velocity to 0. So physically, it's just the same as we've jumped from the ground. So rigid body, keep the horizontal velocity as it is, and set the y-axis to 0. And finally, let's take a look at our final result. And alright. So if you already liked it before, you'll probably love this one. And that's essentially what I wanted to show you today. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.